Hi guys, welcome to AI Stack Labs, the place where you see real AI automation tools, agents, and workflows built end to end. Everyone says AI scripts sound robotic, but the secret isn't a better prompt. It's feeding Claude 5,000 words of your own writing first, so it clones your voice before it ever writes a single line. Last week, we let Claude pick the exact topic for this video by mining Reddit for real pain. Today, we're taking that topic and turning it into a full scene by scene script, narration, visuals, motion data, all of it, in under 20 minutes. And the thing nobody tells you is that the prompt is the easy part. Here's the trap most creators fall into. They open Claude, paste a topic, and ask for a YouTube script. What comes back is generic, weirdly cheerful, full of phrases nobody actually says, and obviously written by AI. So they spend 3 hours rewriting it. Next video, same thing, there's no system, every script starts from zero, and the voice never sounds like them. The fix is 3 layers stacked together. A Claude project that holds your channel's context. A custom style trained on 5,000 words of your past writing, so it speaks the way you speak. And a reusable skill that breaks every script into hook, value stack, and call to action. Once that stack exists, you stop prompting. You just hand it a topic. The numbers from the community are pretty specific. You need at least 5,000 words of your own writing to train the style convincingly. 3 to 5 minutes is the script length Claude handles best in a single structured pass. And 10 seconds. That's the hook window you should be optimizing every single time. This is lane 2. Write. Just one stage. Stage 2. Script. It takes the research brief that Ideate produced last week and turns it into the full, scene-by-scene script. Every narration line, every visual type, and the motion data that drives them. Notice Ideate behind us is done, and the other 3, generate, assemble, publish, are still dimmed as episodes 3 through 5. Today it's just write. Let's open the code. This is stage 2. The doc string spells out the contract. Claude writes the whole video as one JSON array of scenes, and the visual type enum you see listed here is the agreement every downstream stage depends on. Assets, voiceover, assembly, SEO, they all read this same shape. And this is the system prompt. It frames the channel voice, warm but technical, slightly cinematic, and then hard locks Claude to the real stack we actually use. No make.com, no N8N, and crucially, no fake next video teaser pointing at content that doesn't exist. Then we give Claude the strict per scene schema. Every scene must return an ID, a type, a visual type, an eyes hero flag, a duration, the narration line, a visual prompt, and the motion data shape that matches its visual type. This is what stops Claude from hallucinating fields the renderer doesn't understand. The run function does 3 quiet but important things. It forces sequential scene IDs so downstream cache keys never collide. It stitches the code demo segment narrations into one continuous voice track, and it caches the script keyed on the topic, so rerunning this stage never builds Claude twice. Here's the live run. I'm passing in the exact topic Claude surfaced back in episode 1's discovery pass. Research kicks off first, it pulls the pain points and the angle, and then Claude streams back a full scene-by-scene script in just a few seconds. No retries, no rewrites. And here's the artifact on disk. Each scene is a clean object. Narration, visual type, motion data. Exactly the contract we defined. This JSON is what the render lane consumes next to generate every voice line and every video clip. This is where everything changes. With the project, style and skill layers working together, a script that once demanded hours of drafting, editing, and second guessing now arrives almost instantly. Not generic AI output, something that feels uniquely yours, because the system already understands your voice, structure, and creative instincts. One last thing about failure modes, because nobody shows these. Sometimes Claude writes a scene that's just rubbish. Wrong tone, wrong angle, weirdly flat. The recovery move isn't to regenerate the whole script, it's to ask Claude to interpret that one scene against the brief, explain why it's weak, and then rewrite only that scene by scene interpretation. That's the unlock. Thanks for hanging out this long. If this saved you a weekend of rewriting, drop a comment telling me what topic you'd feed your Claude project first. I read everyone. Hit subscribe if you want more builds like this one. This has been AI Stack Labs.